Hello, I welcome you back to my channel. If you're a subscriber and if you are viewing this for the first time, if this is your first time of being on my channel, my name is Blessing Iroha and I am a Canva designer. I talk about Canva. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create your own sound at no cost. Right? In Canva, you can actually create your own sound, for your videos, for your TikTok videos, your reels, your YouTube videos. So you don't, encounter any copyright issues. So I'll be showing you, this video here is actually a Canva template. So I'll be demonstrating this with this Canva template. So we can add sound to this video. This is a TikTok video. And so to add sound, to create your own sound in Canva at no cost, we'll be using an AI powered app. So let's scroll down to apps to find the app that we need. So we're just going to search for the app. It is called AI Music. So just enter it. It is the first app that will appear with that prompt. So let's click. Now we want to add a sound to this video. This is about 15. Our video is about 15.9 seconds. So we need to add a video that's about that length. So here we have different styles and moods so to choose from, and I just want, okay, so let's go with which one do we go for now? Let's go for symphonic, then scroll down. So you can refine your music parameters. You can increase the intensity of how relaxed the music is, or you can decrease it. So you can also make it slow or fast, loose or rhythmic, dark or bright, stable or varied. So I'll just leave all these parameters in the default setting. What I'm just going to do is to change the seconds. So our video is about 15.9 seconds. So let's make this video, this sound 18 seconds, and then compose. So our sound is done composing. So I'm just going to do is to move it to the start of this video. Now if I play this video, let's play it and see what it looks like. Let's go here to play and see what our sound looks like. So this is our sound. Alright, so this is how to add sound to your videos in Canva at no cost. This is free to use. So try it out and let's see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.